When hauling goods into the United States, some goods are packaged on racks, in bins, or stored in tanks. Once these items are delivered, some of those empty racks, containers, bins, or tanks will have to be brought back to a shipper or importer, as in many cases they belong to them. So, when crossing the border with these empty items, how do they clear customs? They clear on what's called Instruments of International Traffic, or IITs for short. Instruments of International Traffic are either covered under a 10.41a or a 10.41b. A 10.41 is referenced from Section 322 of the Tariff Act of 1930, which specifies that all instruments of international traffic and vehicles shall be exempt from the applications of customs laws subject to terms and conditions, and to the extent of the law prescribed by the Secretary of Treasury. So let's simplify that. In short, these instruments are exempt from duties and taxes, as they are not goods to be bought or sold, but instruments that carry goods across the border. An article qualifies as an IIT if it can be shown that it's capable and suitable for repeated use, and is commonly used in international traffic as outlined in Section 10.41a of the Tariff Act of 1930. According to this, Section IITs may include articles such as shipping tanks, lift vans, engine racks, and other empty racks, and more. Instruments of international traffic will also require what's called an IIT bond. And depending on who claims ownership of the IITs, it may be covered under the importer, which is most cases, or in rare cases, the highway carrier. If an IIT is not covered under a bond number with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, the IITs may not qualify as a 10.41 and may be subject to duties and taxes, and as such require clearance by a customs broker, and may clear as a commercial shipment, such as a PAPS. Although IITs are not required to be filed as a commercial shipment and are exempt from the filing by a customs broker, they are, however, required to be filed on an ACE electronic manifest, where you're expected to provide details of the type of IIT on the vehicle or trailer assigned to your ACE manifest. On the manifest, you'll have to show which type of IIT you're hauling, such as an IIT with an importer's bond or an IIT with a carrier's bond. To learn how to create an IIT on an AC manifest in Border Connect, click the link at the top of the video now or in the description below. When arriving at the U.S. port of entry with an IIT load, be sure to provide any paperwork related to the IIT, as the driver may be required to provide either a bill of lading or the IIT bond number. Navigating the intricacies of cross-border transportation regulations can seem daunting, but understanding the process for clearing instruments of international traffic is a key component for seamless logistics operations. It's important to remember that these instruments, while not traditional merchandise, play a vital role in the efficiency and economy of international trade. By ensuring that your IITs are properly bonded and declared on your ACE electronic manifest, you're upholding the standards and regulations that facilitate the movement of goods across the border. And for more detailed information on Instruments of International Traffic and its Canadian equivalent, Instruments of International Trade, the links will be provided in the description below. Happy trucking!
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here, or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to Border Connect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.